back. Okay, so let's say I wanted to use this butterfly embroidery. Okay, and let's say I pick it. Then I'm going to click set. And you have the choice to move it. Okay, if you want to change the size, you can make it smaller. Or you could expand it and make it bigger. Okay, or you could make it up and down here. Okay, let me go back and click OK. Size, you could also rotate it. Maybe you want it at 90 degrees angle. Click OK. And you could flip it back. Maybe you like the other side better, so you mirror it back. Or I'm going to put it back. Now maybe you want to add a font. So you say add, and you know what? Let me add this. Let me pick B for butterfly. So I'm going to set B. And I want to change the size, and I want it smaller. And that's the smallest it could go to. So I'm going to click OK. And you know what? I don't want it no more. So I'm going to delete the B because it's too big. OK, cancel the current pattern. I'm going to have to delete the whole thing. So I'm going to click OK. So it deleted the B for me. So I'm going to add another one. And this time I'm going to use this font because the B is going to be smaller. Let me go look through it. You know what? I'll probably take this B instead. I'll set. I'm going to click large and see what happens. Okay, large was good enough. And then I'm going to move the B here. And I could say B for butterfly. So in here, it gives you more editing tools of the satin stitch. You could increase the density or you could make it bigger. You want to increase this density, press the plus sign for the letter B, or you want it less density, you press the minus sign. I'm going to go back in the center. I'm going to click OK. Font edit. You want to do multicolors. Let's see what that happens. Or you want to do array. So if I have more than one word, I probably could have a straight line, a curved line. Let me see what happens if I do curve. So if I have more than one letter, it would have curved for me. Okay. And what's this? Let me see what happens if I press here. It removes the fill stitches if I press that. So that's pretty cool. Click OK. And maybe I want to, maybe I don't want it filled out. Okay. So I click OK. I'm going to edit. I'm finished editing. So that's basically the functions you could do with the machine. So I'm going to end the edit. And if I'm ready to embroidery, it's going to do that. All I have to do is press embroidery. Make sure my foot is down and it's ready to embroidery. So all I have to do is make sure the foot is down and it's ready to embroidery.